Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fancy Gaming. We are doing Patreon STL January 2024, Part 5. Um, Almost towards the stretch end. Everything should be up and going and showing what we're going to be having in the next this week and next week will be the last weekend for this. If you do enjoy the video, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below as well. And let's get this started. Oh, before all that, this is for D&D, Warhammer, Wargaming, and figure prints. If I didn't say that before. So we have Peach figure. This is figures. For it, we are getting Mash Kellite. I think this she is from Fate as well. And we'll be getting Leviathan from Seven Sins. And we'll have Wonder Woman as well coming up as well. So those other three that's coming out for Peach. There'll be links down below for you guys if you guys are interested on getting the prints for it. But if you don't, if there's a Patreon I haven't checked out yet so far, leave down the name on the comments and I'll go take a look. And this should have stuff. I know we have Tifa coming on for CA 3D Studio. We have also another black cat for it. Very lovely. See a priestess, and that's that. There's Quiet. We'll be getting. I never actually played this type of Metal Gear Solid, I would say, but these are the ones that's coming out. We have Snow White, we have Psylocke, Afro Samurai, Lich King. Don't know. I think that's from Star Wars. That might be Rey, and guy from Berserk. That's going to be coming for your future figures for this month. Francis Quez. We have, let's see here, her jump group, torso. I have to message him because I didn't get my stuff for last month, but update for January. So we have Mystique, Dark Phoenix, and She-Hulk from Francis. For it, I think we're getting Black Widow as well. This is an old one. I think that's a bonus that you guys are going to be getting. But let me know what you guys think. And we have Legion. For Legion, this is Marvel and DC we'll be getting. So we got Groot, Black Panther, Hobgoblin. Do not know which ones that's from. Spider-Man. Don't know where that's from. It's kind of really hard to tell sometimes. Some of these Marvel characters, there's Spider-Gwen right there. It's a Looks like another version of Spider-Man, but that's the DC, so it's not Spider-Man. Has a portal. I don't know. Forgot the magician's girl name. Supergirl, I guess. Nope. There's Flash. I can't see that symbol. Looks like some type of a lantern because of that. This is the Russian Superman. Are these Russian ones? Oh, this is the opposite. This is the DC when some of the superheroes are actually Russians and stuff like that. But I don't think so. That's Sinestro, but that's the Russian Superman. Batman. The Russian Batman looks a lot different. Some of these I don't freaking remember. I stopped reading comic books because when the value start dropping for the comics, I stopped buying them. I used to collect 90s and early 2000 comics. Sold them all recently. But yeah. Some closer look. Try to figure out. I know that's Groot. Spider-Gwen. Spider-Man. Man, there's just too many characters. I just can't remember. That's the late goddess of death from Hela. This thing reminds me, but I just can't remember shit. Don't know what the hell that is. It's Batman. It's some kind of lantern with that symbol. Just like, yeah, this power has a power ring. It's a freaking chainsaw. I don't think that's a Green Lantern sign. I don't know. Might be. We'll see. Well, next is cast and play. We are getting mimics. Looks like it. So we have a lot of mimics. If you're into mimics, I am gonna put some mimics on mine game, but it's one of those things. It's kind of funny. Uh, but yeah, a lot of mimics that you can pick out and use your throwback for cast and play. Very good prints, I will say. And more mimics here as well. Gelatinous cube. And anvil mimic. Bath tube mimic. Book mimic. It'll be interesting. Next is Fien 94. Anything for this one? We have Staka Ivy STL. And I think we got Ivy for this month. That should be good. Let me know what you guys think as well. Next, we got Nymph 3D. They have anything for January yet, but I think we are getting Orochi for March. Try to see if there's anything here that tells us what's going to happen, but I don't think we'll know till later on, I guess, or we'll just wait till March to get that minis for that as well. Highlands Pictures. I know that Warhammer, the Old World came back out, and they're pre-orders. You can't get it. Highlands Miniature does Warhammer Fantasies, and they have a lot of it and a lot better looking models than what Warhammer is producing, models from 20 years ago. So if you're interested on Warhammer Fantasy and 3D printing it, this is probably be it for you guys. Has the same mechanics and everything else for Warhammer Fantasy. Or the Old World when they keep renaming the damn thing. PS Miniatures. You have proxies. Last month was the Battlehood of Sisters. I don't think this month will be the Eldars. So you're going to get some Eldars for this month. Busty looking Eldars. Lost Kingdom Miniatures, another one, good one for Age of Sigmar and Age of Sigmar or Fantasy. We are getting, I believe this is Khorne or Nurgle. I believe it is Khorne. We gotta get a closer look. I think this is the Nurgle army. Looking at everything for it, yep, you get a Nurgle one for your army for Age of Sigmar. Character and games and stuff like that. Next is Dungeons Pinup. And this is December. Release preview. Oh, this is preview. As I believe this is for this month. You have your little syringe. Grogu. Bunch of other stuff. Tordel Minis. This will probably be the last one for this. We have Sylvanas. That's coming up for this month. And I believe we have a few more. And Cheetah from Thundercats. Well, this is a January release. So this was we had get for January. I hope you guys do enjoy it. The links will be down at the bottom for you guys to take a look. Thank you guys very much. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord down below. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Take care.